the old patterns burn. Each action shaped by lower sight leaves echoes in its way, binding moments into time that the soul must someday face. Sorrow turns where ignorance lives, and habits claim the will. The wheel keeps spinning through desire, through anger standing still. What is chosen from the lower self returns again in form, until the deeper truth breaks through and quiets every storm. The psychic life clings to sensation, to pleasure, loss, and gain, mistaking motion for belonging and pain for what remains. Each choice becomes a seed in time that waits its hour to rise, repeating lessons learned in shadow until the heart grows wise. Sorrow turns where ignorance lives, and habits claim the will. The wheel keeps spinning through desire, through anger standing still. What is chosen from the lower self returns again in form, until the deeper truth breaks through and quiets every storm. When wisdom enters silent space, the chains begin to thin. Attachment loosens its old grip, the soul steps out again, no longer bound to former paths or cycles built on fear. Awareness moves beyond the field where suffering appears. As ignorance gives way to truth, the wheel begins to slow. Desire transforms, old habits fade, new light begins to grow. From conscious choice the soul moves free, beyond repeated pain. The path opens into freedom.